Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Now we are here at Plomera Mactan, Cebu. It's a residential condominium located in Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City. It has 17 buildings. So this is the clubhouse with swimming pool. But and also the basketball court. Then the developer added another swimming pool, guys, kay pagdahan man kaayo ni, no, they added more amenities. Then it has already an elevator, so nanay mga elevator, guys. So that is one of the good thing, no. Then pet friendly, so pwede ka magdag iro, pwede ka maka dala sa imong mga kuan. So ang nakanindot ani, guys, the price range are for studio 24 square meters is 3,132,360. So ang atong studio price is 3.1 million. Reservation fee is 20,000. Then pwede siya pag-ibig financing, it's DMF and bank financing. So going to pag-ibig, at least you have 55,000 required income, loanable amount of 2,489,000. So monthly amortization sa pag-ibig, guys, it's 15,732. So ang equity is 3 years at 17,315. So for bank financing, required income is 80,000, 2,801 ang loanable amount, 801,000. Then 22,000 ang monthly, 22,994.77 ang iyang monthly amortization. Then ang equity is 8,648.89. And this is the model unit, guys. So we are with our client, no. So kuyugan ako ang akong buyer. So mo lang nakaareta, nausab ang ato ang kuan, guys, ruta ganina. This is the elevator, no. And this is the ongoing development, no, for another building. So hapit-hapit na gyud mahurot ang kuan, guys. Ya, nindot kayo diri, guys, kay hangin-hangin gyud ba. So you know, it's an island, normal yun na, no. So these are the deliverable unit ni. Mana siya, guys, no. So aside from studio, nasa tay 1 bedroom, 1 year to pay ang equity, so 12 months na lang. So that is the layout of studio unit. So and the other one is 1 bedroom unit, no, layout. That is the layout. So again, the reservation is 20,000. The package price is 4.6 million pesos. Then ladirize ang yang equity. Okay. So for sample computation, guys, you can contact me. This is the entrance. Makita nimo sa gawas, it's Plomera Mactan, Cebu. So nindot ni siya, just few minutes drive, no, away from kuan, guys, Mactan Grand Mall and hospital. Then walking distance to each mall, yeah, schools, no, international schools beside the kilid na po ni, at the back of kanang Indiana Aeronautic School, kanang eskulahanan sa mga pilot o mga aircraft mechanic and other courses. Pwede ra, guys, pwede nimo ipa Airbnb, pet friendly. So no need to go outside somewhere, no. If you are in problem with medication, there is a Ross Pharmacy. Gusto ka mo kaon-kaon ginagmay na tay 7-Eleven, napoy Mr. DIY. So why problema na retail store sa Plomera. Yan lang ka, chill lang kagamay na, no? So mo na naka-advantage, guys. So kini nga condominium, it's really nice. Daghan na ko mga client naka-acquire dire. Then friendly sa natong broker coordinator. Mayo sad, no? Manay nakanindot, nas manoy. So wala siya, guys, no, in France. Convenience store na siya, guys. Kita na to, Mr. DIY, no? Wala din. So no problem with flooding, guys, no, kay kita jud ko gi kuan jud na. So that is the building of the Plomera. This is the hallway na siya, guys. So wala siya, no, outside. So nindot kayo. So this is the deliverable unit sa ongoing. So nalang po itong video. So if you are interested, just contact me. Almost complete na siya, guys. So money layout, no, layout sa tuwang condominium kining kuan tubangan pinagamay na pinadako sa likod. So these are the kuan deliverable na unit, ibutang gida, living, dining, painted, so that is the kuan. Same ra po, no, ay toilet. Basta mao ni siya ang ibutang niya nga deliverable unit. This is one bedroom layout. So atong gi-illustrate, no. So this is the Plomera, no. Kanang nay yellow. Then the other side is Ulango, which is kuan. Mana gibutang sa tong mouse pasabot is the mainland kuno, Cebu City. Then the other side is Ulango Island. Then going back, no, makita na to. So kini, no, so likod ra gyud sa Mactan International Airport. So manibot pasabot na ko, guys, at the Mactan International Airport. Then atong ikuan sa atong mouse, Tuyok ra silbi. Going back, Plomera. Then ana na magi. So dayon dire sa front sa Mactan Airport. So Mactan Airport tong kuan, guys. It's small. I-identify na to ang it's small. So just around 400 meters away. The next, we identify the Indiana Aerospace University. Just only at the back of the building of Plomera. So naglikod ra sila, guys. So meaning if you have students, no, or soon to be, they will study in Plomera, stay sa Indiana, diha kuhain na lang og Plomera, Mactan. Mana siya, guys, no. So ato sang gi-highlight diha, guys, no, gi-highlight na to ang hospital, o mana siya, Mactan Doctors Hospital. So kung mag-shopping gyud ta, ato sang gi-highlight ang Gaisano Grand Mall. So from hospital to Plomera is 1 kilometer then 1.5 tanan kilometers apil sa Grand Mall. Then mo na atong gi-highlight po diri guys kung gusto kang maligo og dagat, so na diri sa Maribago, mga white sand beaches na diha, no? Nindot sad kayo diha guys. So duol ra gyud na siya, nagkunik-kunik ra ang mga kuan, mga na roads. Then gusto ka gikan ka sa Cebu City, no? Dire dayon ka sa Sisilex agi. Awa na diretso na Plumera na, Gunob, Basak dayon, Plumera na dayon. So daghan tagmagian guys. You know, Lapu-Lapu is just only a small island man yun. Pero nindot kayo. Nakakuan ka, kumikan sa mga establishment, daghan kayo, no? So, i-highlight na to ang Tamiya, Mipsto. So, dool rasad, no, sa Plumera. Tuyok ra kauna gamay, Tamiya na. So, sa Google ra ta magdaog. So, nindot gyud, maka-acquire ta og unit. Diya. See. Sa pa na itong highlight diri guys, no? So dool po sa Hoops Dome. So kung may eskwela sa University of Cebu, okay rasad ato sang highlight ang University of Cebu. So mana atong gipang highlight ang mga silingan nga isla. Say Cebu City nastunga. Cebu province nastunga, nya Bohol, Picas is mo na, no? Bacolod. Dali ra kayo guys, mas strategic man gyud ang Cebu positioning, no? Okay. Very nice. So for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So you can locate in YouTube, no, the Plumera. Sayon ra kayo typon Plumera Mactan Cebu. Akit andayon nimo. Okay, thank you and good night.